What's up, traders? Gonna give you a market update today on all the indices to share with you what's happening right now as I speak. Do not place your trade based on what you see in this video. Trading can cause you so much loss, especially when you don't respect the market. All right, guys, first thing in the description, 7 steps to become a good trader. Anyway, let's get straight into it, guys. First thing I want to share with you is what's going on right now on the Dow Jones. We'll see what happened on the short term. So on the short term on the Dow Jones, what we saw, firstly, what's going on right now? Let me delete this from them. First, we had a low, then we had a lower high, and now we're breaking back down, right? So short term, we've got sellers in control, lowering your prices. Right now, we're at a long-term, we're at a long-term support level, and the Dow Jones is actually holding that long-term support level right now. Now, that's long-term support, and that long-term support line comes in from this chart right here. Let me see if I can bring this up here. So this is that long-term trend line. This is like the line in the sand for the Dow Jones. But the really interesting thing is that if I bring up my charts just like this, and then I bring up the S&P 500, as you can see on the S&P 500, the S&P 500 actually broke its long-term trend line already. And not only did it break it, but look what it did. It actually created what? It created a lower high through here, and now it's breaking down. So it does look like we want to get a bit more further downward movement. We've got the 2,600 level. Looks like there's got to be that level through there, and this selling movement looks like it's gonna go down through there. Now, if we break that level, as you can see, if I bring up my short-term weekly chart, if we break this level here, 2,600. Then yes, we probably have just formed a topping pattern in the markets. Okay, now guys, let me point one thing out what I just said there. No one in this world can never ever tell you where the exact high and the exact low in these major bull and bear market cycles. Here is the you know what, I'll get into that into another video, but let me just focus on the market update. So basically what's happened right now, we broke up and now we're breaking back down. And continuing down here, so it does look like it wants to break this, go down to the 2,600 level. If it does break that 2,600 level, then it does look like then the overall major bull market that we've basically seen for the last 10 years or 9 years does look like it's changing. Same for the Nasdaq as well too. The Nasdaq, what happened? We're actually at that long-term support level there. But we're really just hovering around it, aren't we? And we've just got this major bit of support level coming back down here around that sort of 6,900 level, probably around the 7,000 level. So we're very, very close to that there right now. So it'll be really interesting to see what actually happens next week, and see what happens. Do we actually hold these levels and do we rally up, or do we actually drop back down? Let me know what you think in the chat box below. I'd love to see what you think about the overall indices. Do we break through right now, or do we continue rallying up? Let me know what you think. After being mentored by 4 different 7-figure traders, I've realized they all have some things in common that actually help them do really, really well in the markets. So I'm actually putting on a free training where I'm going to walk you through the 7 simple but powerful universal laws to becoming a consistent profitable trader while achieving a very high success rate without spending 13 years trying to figure it all out. Plus, I'm going to walk you through the absolute details of my #1 trading system that I trade every single day. The very first link in the description, click on that and you'll be able to go check it all out and be able to go see this free training. And I'm going to walk you through every single detail of these 7 universal laws so you too can start to have the odds on your side. So go do that right now and I'll see you on the next page.